it's Tiff
and Josh.
Welcome to our kitchen. Today we are doing a totally different type of video. We're going to talk to you. You're used to seeing my hands getting painty and messy. Today we're actually going to talk to you about this cool new product that we're trying for the first time called Splendid Spoon. It's all plant-based products, smoothies and all the goodness, and we wanted to give you a real review of our very first time actually trying it. So come along, hang in there with us. We're also going to give you a coupon code so you can save if you're interested in checking out Splendid Spoon as well. So Josh, you want to show us what we got?
Sure.
Let's see what we got in here.
Wellness shots.
Wellness shots. Okay, so they're introducing a new thing. I think we have some in here. It's wellness shots. Now is a great time to have a wellness and immunity support for sure. It says straight from Mother Nature medicine cabinet. I love that. Anti-inflammatory, aids in digestion, and improves energy. I could use a little more energy. What about you?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Supports a strong immune system. Pebbles has got a little cough, guys. Need an extra boost of energy in the AM. That's cool. I think we have some of that. And then this is just a little piece of paper telling you a little bit about their program. So awesome. All right, guys, and we're gonna take these out. We'll put these to the side, and that way we can take them out. Well, maybe we should move it this way, and you can bring it this way. All right, so first off, we have got, I told you that they had smoothies, but they also have bowls. So this one is Red Beet Buddha Bowl. It has water, red beets, I love red beets, sweet potatoes,
yes,
you know that.
Yes, you do.
Organic carrots, onions, quinoa, kale, celery, extra virgin olive oil, tahini, lemon juice, sea salt, coriander, cumin, and red chili pepper. That sounds absolutely delicious. The other thing it has is on the background, it tells you the nutritional facts. So according to them, this container is 16 ounces. So this is actually 2 servings, okay, in one container. It tells you how to reheat it. So you can remove the heat and seal and microwave for 4 minutes, stir midway, pour into a saucepan if you prefer it that way. I'm excited to try this. So y'all will be seeing our reaction to that at a later time. But that's cool. What's our next one? So we've got bowls, we've got smoothies, and we also have the wellness shots, I think.
Butternut turmeric soup.
Butternut turmeric soup. Guys, I love butternut squash. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so this one says it has butternut squash, onions, sweet potatoes, coconut milk, extra virgin olive oil, celery, sea salt, turmeric, that's an anti-inflammatory if you didn't know, black pepper, rosemary, cinnamon, that should be nice,
yummy,
and nutmeg. So it says keep refrigerated or frozen. Again, it gives you the nutritional facts on the back of this. I know when I was looking at their website, Splendid Spoon also provides this information for you if you are interested and want to know that before you make your options and your choices. So this one is also 2 servings. I guess they all are, and it's 120 calories. That's really good to know all of the info on here. No added sugars. Cool. All right, let's go. What you got?
Parsnip apple puree.
Oh, goodness gracious. Granny Smith apples, which are green, Tiffany. Celery roots, parsnips, onions, apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, allspice, and cayenne pepper. I think that the adding of the cinnamon is pretty interesting. And this one has 90 calories, so that's pretty cool.
Sweet potato quinoa bowl.
Woohoo! Sweet potato quinoa bowl. It's got quinoa, chickpeas, sweet potatoes, shiitake mushrooms. We're mushroom fans.
Yes.
Water, red onion, organic kale, tahini, sesame oil, lemon juice, and salt. That sounds delicious.
And the last but not least, brown rice taco bowl.
Ooh, that sounds good. So it's got black beans, kale, brown rice, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, onions, red peppers, pumpkin seeds, lemon juice, olive oil, tomato paste, scallions, salt, poblano peppers. Oh yeah, I like that. Garlic, cilantro, chipotle pepper, black pepper, paprika, red chili pepper, oregano, and ancho pepper. I'm excited about that.
Yeah.
And that one is 170 calories. So again, that we got 5 of these. So when you get your starter box, you get 5. What else is in there? And Josh still gets the good stuff. He likes sweets and smoothies.
Wellness shot. All these are wellness shot.
Alright guys, so these wellness shots are ginger, orange juice, lemon juice, and oregano extract. So if you don't know, I'm all up in the know when it comes to essential oils and how we can heal our bodies with plant properties. Oregano is a very, very good. Are you already digging into the smoothies? I see you little sneaker. Oregano is a really good antiviral. And this is 40 calories for these little guys right here. And a quick and easy boost for Mother Nature's medicine cabinet. Ideal for on the go. I see you over there. Alright, so we got 5 of these. We'll put those right there. Make sure you're talking loud enough the mic can get you to.
A, B, and J smoothie.
A, B, and J smoothie. So this is strawberry puree.
Yes.
Bananas.
Yes.
You love bananas.
Yes.
Almond butter.
Yes.
Coconut nectar. Some type of powder that I don't know how to pronounce. Pea protein. Baobab?
Yeah.
Baobab powder? I don't know. Maybe y'all know. Himalayan salt. So these already are blended. So these smoothies come blended in the bottle. All you have to do is stick them in the refrigerator and they are ready when you are ready, which is freaking amazing. A lot of times Josh gets up at 5:45 in the morning.
Yes.
And number one, I don't want to hear a blender going, and number two, he's probably not going to go through the effort of fixing a smoothie at that time of the morning. So this guy right here is 2 serving sizes, and so there's 2 of these. One bottle is 2 servings, and they're 147 calories per serving, which means if you have 2, like if you drink the whole bottle, which you probably will, then you're about at 300 calories. So not bad. And that is, I would say this is a replacement to actual consumption of food. It says it's full of good complex carbs with right amount of protein and fat to keep you going. So that's probably going to be one of the first ones Josh tries, I'm sure. All right, what else?
Next is Power Green Smoothie.
Power greens. You love your greens.
Yes,
all right, so this one has purified water, bananas.
Yay.
Coconut nectar, lemon juice, coconut oil, kale juice. We know that's good for you. Pea protein, hemp seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, spirulina. Spirulina is like a superfood. Wheatgrass powder and sea salt.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. And that's 127 calories. So about 250 for the whole bottle.
Next, we have Raspberry Cacao Smoothie.
Cacao. Raspberry cacao smoothie has bananas, raspberries, coconut nectar, cashew butter, pea protein, beet juice, rose water, fancy, vanilla extract cacao, and Himalayan salt. And this one has 155 calories, so just a little above 300 calories for this. And it looks like this one has 6 grams of protein. I didn't tell y'all on the other one, but you can check their website and it gives you all the deets.
This next one is going to look like it's going to be a favorite of mine. Strawberry Goji Smoothie.
You haven't even tried it. How you know it's your favorite?
Because I love strawberries.
Alright, strawberry goji smoothie has strawberries, cashew butter, that powder, I don't know what kind of powder that is. Pea protein, goji berries, chia seeds, vanilla powder, coconut flakes, cinnamon, and Himalayan sea salt. That looks so good. Alright, and that is 2 servings for 150 calories each, so that's 300 calories for that one. Josh is already claiming that to be a favorite, and he's not even tried it, so.
Next one is green matcha smoothie.
I like a little matcha.
Matcha.
Alright, so this one has bananas, avocados, those are great for you. Lemon juice, dates. We're date fans.
Yes, we're date fans.
Hemp protein, vanilla powder, matcha powder, and spirulina. Again, that's superfood there, so this is really good. 95 calories, so like 200 calories for this whole bottle. And it looks like it doesn't have any protein powder, so it's only 3.5, but it's really good for you. So that one's exciting. Is that all?
That's going to be all.
Okay, guys, so Josh, let's talk about what these taste like. Okay, so we're not going to try them all in this one, but Josh is going to get to choose what smoothie we're going to try, and we're going to get our first reactions. So he's already saying we're going to try the, no, that's the raspberry cacao.
Oh, that's the red one.
Yeah, you want this one.
Yeah, that's
strawberry goji berry. Yeah. All right, shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Oh, you don't want this one? I like it. I like it. Awesome. All right, so we're going to tell you our first impressions of our first sips of Splendid Spoon. And then I'm going to tell you about the coupon.
All right. That's what's up.
Let me
I'm
see.
liking that. I can rock with that. It's a little different, but I can rock with it.
Okay, so I'm a super taster, at least Josh is. I'm a super taster. Does this one have cinnamon in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can taste a hint of cinnamon in it. I also taste the goji berry. So the goji berry is a little tart, but not like too tart. It's a really nice subtle sweetness from the strawberries. So that's good.
Yes.
Did that one have protein in it?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah, it has pea protein. I will say I feel a little bit of the texture of the protein against my tongue. Not in like a bad way, but you know, protein powders, they just have a little bit, not gritty really, but just like a granular kind of taste. Gives it some substance instead of like just drinking water. And this has 6 grams of protein, and again, because this is 2 servings, that would be 12 grams of protein, which would pretty much do you good for breakfast or snack or whatever. So just to go back, we've got 5 smoothies to try. We've got 5 of their bowls that you can have for lunch, dinner, however, hey, slice it, dice it, however you want to do it. And then we also have these 5 wellness shots to try out. Do you want to try one of these?
Let's try one.
He said, let's try one. Can I shake it, or you want to shake it?
You go ahead. You got it.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. I cannot believe I've got Josh to act a fool on camera today. All right, so let me see. Oh, I'm a fan. Babe, it's going to hit you right here. It's a little bit of a spice from that turmeric. It hits you. Hits you in the craw right there.
Hits you in the craw with turmeric strong. Yes,
okay, so between that and the oregano, this I feel very good that this is, and it looks like it's all organic juices as well. That's exciting. So guys, now let's talk about the coupon. So Splendid Spoon is offering a $25. I just want to make sure I say it right. So you get a $25 off of your first order with the breakfast, which will be the smoothies plus the lunch. or the breakfast plus lunch plus a reset. So the reset, I believe, is like some of the more liquidy soups, or they're calling that a reset. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put the coupon in the link below for you guys to try this. But my first impressions are that this is freaking a lot. So this is 5 days worth. If Josh had a smoothie every day and he had a soup for lunch or dinner, then this covers us for 5 days, which is amazing. I also realized that a lot of these ingredients and stuff are things that you not necessarily, especially this time and age, may be able to find or take the time to prepare them for yourself. So take the convenience factor into fact. I think that this is pretty impressive. So I am so glad that you got to hang out with us in our kitchen today, and we will be reporting and taking video every time we try one of these, just to give you guys a clip as to what our thoughts are on the different varieties that we have. So thank you so much for joining us. Josh, you want to tell them bye?
I'll see y'all later. Thank y'all for joining us.
All right, guys. Toodaloo. Till next time. Hey, guys. So Josh was a little eager to try one of the bowls. So we heated up the brown rice taco bowl. And I heated it up in the microwave as directed. And we're going to get our first impressions.
Here we go. Yummy.
You like it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
So this one had the black beans, the kale, the brown rice, the tomatoes. I want to see. Do they have carrots or what is that?
I can't see.
Sweet potatoes. That's the sweet potatoes. All right, let's see. I'm trying to get a little bit of everything all in the bite. You know how you want a little bit of this and a little bit of that? All right, let's see.
Pretty good.
Yeah. So I think it's that chipotle pepper or poblano pepper that I'm tasting that's really nice. That's a winner. That is really, really good. I don't know, maybe you can see. So I like that it has some good texture into it. So number one, we're not plant-based people. Let's just go ahead and say that. Like, we eat meat. But this, I can't even tell it doesn't have meat in it.
Pretty good.
I don't know what they use, but it almost like tastes like the texture of meat. I'm impressed. I'm gonna say that this is really nice. I could have this. You better eat that. I like the whole thing. So guys, what was that one? The taco bowl, the brown rice taco bowl is legit good. So if you like a little Mexican or Taco Tuesday type of thing, that would totally fill the void. I also think the kale is not so like chopped up so fine that you can't taste it, because it does have some good texture there, and of course you got the black beans that gives you the protein. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this, and until next time, toodaloo!